That Rout. Demons by John Eckhart, Section 1, plugging into the power source. And we're reading Prayers for Enlargement and Increase. Okay, so it says, O Lord, bless me and increase me. Isaiah 51:2. Let me increase exceedingly. Genesis 30:43. Let me increase with the increase of God. Colossians 2:19. Let me increase and abound in love. 1 Thessalonians chapter 3:12. Increase my greatness and comfort me on every side. Psalms 71:21. Let me increase in wisdom and stature. Luke 2:52. Let me increase in strength and confound the adversaries. Acts 9:22. Let your grace and favor increase in my life. Let the years of my life be increased. Proverbs 9:11. Let the word of God increase in my life. Acts 6:7.